High school, we used to do this like little Chinese Asian dance. Anyone else? No? No, am I the only one? Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make a Chinese Ming pottery craft. Here it is, the final example that I made for my class. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below. You will get a notification when I come out with my weekly crafts. You can check out my Instagram also down below to see the crafts that I posted in the past, and as well as crafts that I'm going to be making in the future. And if you recreate any of these crafts, please tag me. Bye for now.